Hey guys, I'm Michael. I'm for TravelCostaRicaNOW.com. I'm going to tell you two, maybe three things that really piss off Ticos. Uh, and when I say Ticos, if you don't know, that's what Costa Ricans call themselves. That is not a derogatory word, so it's Ticos. And the other thing is, please don't take this video super serious, all right? All right. Maybe I'll tell you the third thing that really pisses off Ticos. The first thing, I'm not really going to talk about it, just say it. That's when you talk shit about their country. Obviously. I mean, that's almost any country. I'm telling you, if you go to the United States and you're like an immigrant or an expat and you're telling somebody that lives there, well, I really don't like your traffic here, man. It's a lot. You'll hear 100 different ways of them saying, well, if you don't like it, you can leave. So that's pretty normal, to kind of not like people talking shit about your country. But that's not the one I'm talking about. I'm going to tell you number two. That's the one, man. This is it. And this is no joke, all right? They do not like when you slam the door of their vehicle. I'm telling you, it's like you spit in their face. It's like you called their mother a bitch. You want to see a Tico get mad? And remember, Ticos are some of the nicest people on the planet. That's why only like two things, maybe three, piss them off. So why am I telling you this? Why am I giving this information? Think of this as like, another tool in your toolbox. Think about it as like pepper spray that you carry but you're never going to use. This is perfect because some people don't have recourse. They come down here, they're traveling in Costa Rica, they don't know the language, they have no recourse, and they know that taxi driver ripped them off. You can't argue with them, you can't say anything, but you know what's worse than not giving them a tip is slamming their door, man. They will go crazy. It's kind of funny. And obviously you could do this to just, maybe you're doing a little passive aggressive on one of your Tico friends because you got pissed off or anything. I don't know, but man, they hate that. That's it. Now, that said, what I just told you, if you're going to call somebody's mom a bitch, you're doing that at your own risk, man, okay? So don't blame me. Oh, and number three that pisses Ticos off, that might be me. I'm not sure why, but I think that, I don't know why, they misread the videos or misinterpret the videos sometimes, but I might be the third reason Ticos can get pissed off. Anyway, guys, I'm Michael Allen, TravelCostaRicaNOW.com. Peace, guys. Maybe it'll help. A tool in the toolbox.